Most project management tools simply collect tasks and people in one place. But GanttPRO is where this list finally becomes a plan. Laid out on a Gantt chart, tasks find their owners, resources get allocated, and no one ends up with too much on their plate. You could build a project manually, or just watch our free AI generator turn your short description into an editable plan. Yes, a Gantt chart is our main focus, but GanttPRO doesn't limit you to that single perspective. And if you're running multiple projects, Portfolio View will give you the full picture. During implementation, GanttPRO helps you track progress and react to sudden changes. Your teammates will discuss the updates right in the app and get real-time notifications. When it's time to update stakeholders, export the project to multiple formats or share a private link. Whatever your plan is, GanttPRO has you covered. Try it at GanttPRO.com.